Hi beautiful people, I am back with a new video and today is crochet day. I haven't done crochet in maybe 5 years. Most recently I just felt like doing it and I didn't want to do a twist out because they only last a week. So I decided to do crochet and finally some hair that looks like mine if I do a twist out or a braid out, mostly a twist out. But yeah, when I used to do crochet braids, I rarely found this curl pattern. If they could have a tighter one. They're saying this is 4C. Well, I wouldn't say that, but still love the curls. Something that my hair could actually look like. I used to do this with a curl pattern that was a bit looser, I would say, but you know, never that tight. I'm not sleeking back my edges because I'm trying to make it look as natural as I can, and to be honest, I don't put edge control every day. I probably just put edge control like once, which is the day of the hairstyling. Install took about, I would say, 2 hours. I wanted to have 2 parts, but I know myself, it's always going to end up as being this part. So I did trim a bit of the frizzy parts because as time goes by, this thing is gonna get frizzy, so might as well just start looking less natural. Achieving this look is the simplest of all. I washed my hair, dried my hair, flat twisted my hair because I can't cornrow. In total, 4 hours from washing to this. Alright, so if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, even though it's super simple, keep on watching. So I actually prefer this needle compared to the common one that I see. This hook is a lot thicker than this one, so it snags a lot less when going through cornrows or your flat twists. I used to have cornrows for my crochet. My mom used to do them for me because I don't know how to cornrow. It tends to snag so frequently, and now I know why. So I don't know if I could, maybe I'll zoom in a bit. It's really pointy. I'll try to zoom in and get or probably put a picture for real. I'll put a picture on how pointy it looks. Now I know why it snags compared to this one, which is actually just round. So yeah, this one came in a pack of hair. It didn't come with the hair that I used today. This is very old. I honestly don't remember where I bought this. I probably bought this maybe 7 years ago. I drove my mom crazy to find it. I thought I was gonna use this as a last resort if she couldn't remember where this one was. And now back to your regular scheduled program. So this is the final look. What I ended up using, actually 2 packs. One had, I don't know how much left, maybe 15 strands left. This is what happens also when you don't tie the hair properly. Look at those, like these I'm gonna cut, like for sure. You know what? Oh, and like some of the trimmed hair is also in that hair bowl. And always trim at an angle. I think I'm gonna say it in the voiceover, but just in case I don't. Ta-da! So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.